Unlock the secrets to crafting infectious progressive uplifting trance anthems that dominate the dance floor by blending the hypnotic drive of progressive house with the sheer euphoria of uplifting trance. First, we lay the foundation with a solid, driving kick drum aimed for a punchy, well-engineered kick that provides a consistent foundation without being overpowering layer in a sub-bass that follows the fundamental root note of your track, creating that essential low and rumble. Next comes the rhythmic backbone. A crisp snare or clap, placed on the second and fourth beats, is crucial. We'll add a shuffling hi-hat pattern, perhaps with some open hi-hats on the off beats to create momentum and groove. Consider a subtle shaker loop to add texture and fill out the rhythm section. Now, let's inject that progressive trance energy. An arpeggiated synth is your secret weapon here. Experiment with different waveforms like saw or square, and explore intricate patterns that ascend and descend, building anticipation. Let this be the core melodic element that drives the track forward. To create those euphoric soundscapes, we need lush pads. Think warm, evolving pads with plenty of sustain and a touch of reverb. These will provide the harmonic bed for your arpeggio and build that emotional weight. Slowly sweep the filter cutoff on the pads to add movement and depth. The main lead melody is where the magic truly happens. This should be memorable, uplifting, and full of emotion. Focus on pentatonic or natural minor scales for that classic trance feel. Use portamento and vibrato sparingly to add character. Process it with delay and generous amounts of reverb to make it soar. Don't forget the bassline's subtle evolution. While the sub-bass provides foundation, introduce a mid-bass layer with a more defined rhythm. This could be a rhythmic pulsing bass or a more melodic, filtered bassline that complements the main melody. Build-up sections are key to the trance formula. Gradually increase the intensity by introducing white noise sweeps, pitching up snare rolls, and perhaps a riser effect. This creates a sense of impending release. In the breakdown, strip back the elements to reveal the core melody, often with more pronounced reverb and delay, creating a moment of reflection before the full energy returns. Then, the drop. Reintroduce all your elements with maximum impact, ensuring the kick drum hits hard and the main melody truly shines. Use cytokine compression to make your kick drum cut through the mix and add that pumping effect. Master these techniques, and you'll be well on your way to producing your own progressive uplifting trance anthems. Keep experimenting and find your unique sound.